Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Dr. Wellness. Hope all of you are doing well, and it's Coach Alvin's turn again to share nutritional topics with you. Many people generally assume bananas as fruits that will make you gain weight due to its high carbohydrate content and should be consumed before or during exercises for an instant energy boost. However, bananas are more than just sources of energy, but a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can boost overall health. Let us explore more in this episode. If you have not subscribed to our channel, it would really help if you could just go ahead and smash the subscribe button now. Firstly, we will delve into the basic nutritional facts of a banana. One medium-sized banana has 105 kilocalories with 1.29 grams of protein, 0.4 grams of fat, and 27 grams of carbohydrate. It has a fiber content of 3.07 grams and total sugars of 14.4 grams. Here are the top few health benefits of bananas. Number one, it helps to manage high blood pressure. Bananas are a rich source of potassium. Each medium-sized banana delivers about 450 milligrams or 13% of daily requirement. Potassium helps in lowering blood pressure through regulating the levels of sodium in the body. It can also help to lower stroke risks and prevent kidney stones. However, it is important to note that those who have existing kidney issues should keep potassium intake in check. Do seek medical professional help if you are in doubt. Number two, helps with weight and diabetes management. The high fiber in bananas are beneficial for weight management as fiber intake helps make you feel fuller without overeating. Fiber also reduces the absorption of fat and carbohydrates when food travels through the gut. Green bananas contain resistant starch or insoluble fiber. It is also able to add size and density to the stools, which encourages easier channeling of food through the digestive system that helps to fight constipation. It may also regulate blood sugar levels, thereby helping manage diabetes. However, because the resistant starch changes to simple sugars when they turn yellow, it is advisable for diabetic patients to stick to the unripe variant instead. Number three, promotes gut health. Bananas are rich in prebiotics, which is a food source for the good bacteria in our gut called probiotics. Prebiotics are known to help treat some gastrointestinal infections and also ease irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Number four, energy for workouts. Like mentioned, yellow bananas are a healthy source of energy as they are high in simple sugar plus are fat and cholesterol free. It is also convenient to pack and can serve as ideal pre or post-workout snacks. Number five, bananas are actually good for the skin. Bananas are rich in manganese, which helps the body produce collagen and protects cells from the ravages of free radicals. Last but not the least, it is rich in vitamins A, B6, and C. Vitamin A is good for your eyes and may help protect your body from cancer. Vitamin B6 helps the body metabolize macronutrients into energy, and vitamin C helps protect the body cells from free radical damage and able to bolster the immune system, aiding the body to heal faster. So, are bananas for everyone? Because of the high potassium levels, individuals who have medical conditions that restrict potassium intake, such as kidney diseases, should refrain or seek medical advice when consuming the fruit. Diabetic patients should moderate or refrain from consuming yellow bananas. Green bananas are more suitable due to the lower sugar content and glycemic index or GI. I shall also share some simple ways to include bananas in your diet. So number 1, banana pancakes. Fry a mixture of mashed up bananas and whisk eggs over low or medium heat. Banana smoothie. Blend 1 frozen banana, milk, and a few cubes of ice. Banana sandwich. Sandwich 2 slices of wholemeal bread with sliced bananas and peanut butter or butter spread. Banana fruit salad. Slice your favorite mixture of fruits and include banana slices into the salad bowl for a burst of flavor and tons of healthiness. And lastly, a 1-ingredient banana ice cream. Slice up 1 or 2 bananas and freeze them. Blend them into a creamy consistency and freeze the paste before consuming. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode and hope you have learned more on how bananas can actually fit into your dietary plans. Remember, your subscription to our channel is vital in supporting our cause to create more health and wellness content to the community. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to our weekly content as they come on. Stay safe and stay healthy.